Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn about conversation. Okay, what is this? Crane. Okay, what is this? Crane. Crane is a bird. Crane is a big bird. Okay, it has long legs. It has a long neck. This is long neck and long leg. Crane has a sharp beak. Okay, this is beak. Crane can fly high. Crane lives near water. It lives near rivers. It lives near lake. Crane eats fish. Crane eats insects. Crane eat small animals. Crane walks slowly. Okay, slowly walk. Okay. Crane stands on one leg. Okay. Crane has strong wings. How many wings? Two wings. Okay. Crane is usually white or grey. White or grey color. Okay. Crane makes a loud sound. Crane is a beautiful bird. Look, crane is a beautiful bird, na? Yes. Crane lives in groups. Baby crane is called a chick. Crane uses its beak to catch food. Crane can Crane is a wild bird. We should protect cranes. Okay everyone, I call you. I will ask you question.